Auction, 6/4 at 10 a.m. 2202 Constitution, Enid, Oklahoma. This beautiful brick home is situated in the Country Club West 5th Edition in Enid, Oklahoma. The home, according the county assessor, is comprised of 1,829 square feet of living area with an attached 2-car garage. The exterior of the home is brick veneer with a composition shingle roof, installed 2020, covered back patio area and concrete drainage on the south side of home. There are 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, CH&A, large living area with fireplace, gas logs, that opens to the kitchen and dining area. The kitchen has electric stove, dishwasher, microwave and pantry. This is only a few blocks from the new Prairie View Elementary and close to both Oakwood Country Club and Pheasant Run golf courses. The home has recently been treated for termites and certificate will be provided to new buyer. For an appointment